Hi everyone, it's Wenche, and I have received entry number 4 to my 100 subscriber challenge, and this one comes from Denmark, from Fridgerd, as I think you will call her. I will say her name my way. That is Fridgerd. Pretty name. So I received this just now, so I'm anxious to open. So let's see. Denmark is a neighbor country to Norway, so we call each other neighbors. And I have spent a lot of time in Denmark on vacation. It's one of my favorite places to go. All the people in Denmark are so smiling and welcoming us Norway, so Norwegian. So it's very nice to spend the holidays in Denmark. Lot of tape here. So there is still one more day to enter my challenge if you want to. That means one more day to get the stuff in the post for me. So I will wait with the drawing till I have all the entries, as long as I know they are sent. So I will post the original challenge video below, and also Fridgerd's channel. Oh, another one inside. Let's see here. Wow. Butterflies, pretty little things that I love so much. Look at these. Thank you, Fridgerd. So pretty, dimensional, sparkly butterflies. Very nice, thank you. And some die cut. I love die cuts. There's so many of them. What do we have here? I don't want to destroy anything. Be careful here. More die cuts. Oh, dress forms. That's perfect. That's needed in a lace book. And these are some, oh, I don't know the name. That's for windows, I think. And dresses, oh, so cute. Thank you, Fridgerd. Oh, they are pretty. And some buttons. Lovely buttons. And laces. Different laces. Look. this is cotton, I believe. I like it, very soft. Very nice, thank you. Oh, and look at this. This is tatting. Oh my god. I couldn't part with this, Fridgerd. Oh, that's pretty. Thank you so much, look. It's so thin thread and so delicate. Oh my goodness, I love this. More buttons, and look at this. I will read the card later. But napkins. Very pretty, Miss Sophie's Flower Shop. Flowers, Green Gate Florist. Very nice. And even one more. There are 2 of each. More roses. Oh, look. I love the colors. Oh, very nice. Thank you. Oh, I love everything. And card. Let's see. She says Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and a little bit more. I will read this later. But thank you so much, Fridgerd. Everything is just amazing. I love it all. And from my last entry, who was this was from Melanie. This napkin goes to you, Fridgerd. And when it comes to which one, Melanie, which one, I will have to. There are two napkins of both of these. So Melanie, if you see this, you have to pick one because it's hard for me to pick one. And if you don't get back to me, I will just pick one for you, okay? Oh, I love everything, and oh, this is incredible. Thank you, Fridgerd. Makes me happy. And thank you so much for watching, everyone. I will see you again very soon. Bye bye.